Hi, in front of me is Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this Xiaomi. Firstly, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down, tap on passwords and security, click on face unlock and enter your current login method. After that, read the disclaimer, wait 5 seconds and tap on next. Now tap done, and when I go back, turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!